Chief Secretary P.K. Singh emphasizes urgency of surrendering illegal arms to intensify ongoing peace efforts. Hand grenade found hanging at Nganapithong, threatening security forces. Locals demand accountability and investigation into the act. Security forces recover 8 IEDs, country-made lead and more from Leibi Kuno in Technopole district during search operation. And Manipur police seized 5 stolen vehicles in Imphal East. Ongoing drive to combat criminal activities. Hello, you're watching IS English News. I'm Jay Shainam, giving you the news in detail. Chief Secretary P.K. Singh emphasized that 7 days would be sufficient for individuals to surrender illegal weapons, underlining that the process could be completed in a day. He assured that authorities would take swift action to recover any weapons once the governor's ultimatum expired. The Chief Secretary warned that leaving weapons in public or private hands could pose significant dangers, stressing the importance of recovering illegal weapons promptly and peacefully. P.K. Singh made these remarks during a media interaction at an event held at the Imphal East DC complex, where bicycles and looms were being distributed to IDP students and weavers. He also highlighted the priority of restoring peace and normalcy in Manipur, pointing out ongoing efforts to address the situation on multiple fronts. Regarding security measures, the Chief Secretary announced that deployments on Manipur's highways were being reinforced, with additional forces set to arrive soon. Although he could not provide a specific timeline for reopening the highways, he assured that media access would be granted once the process was finalized. P.K. Singh emphasized the need for confidence-building measures to restore peace, noting the widespread desire for stability among the people. He also assured that all necessary provisions for IDPs would be delivered in a timely manner moving forward.
In fact, we have to work on multiple fronts. Number one is that, yes, there has to be peace, there has to be normalcy. So, weapon, of course, we can't leave outside in public and private hands. That is a very dangerous situation. So, first we have to get the weapons back to the court. Oh, yes, why not? I mean, a weapon which is there with somebody who is not authorized to use it is a dangerous situation. So, the sooner we do it, the more peacefully we do it. It's a requirement. And weapons from everybody, I mean, looted weapons or any other weapon which is there, it poses a threat to society. So, I mean, first and foremost, we do that. Open the highways, bring in normalcy, have some kind of confidence building on both sides. Let people understand the problems. I mean, everybody knows it, everybody wants it to be over. There is a lot of hope in the society also. Whomsoever I have met, everybody says that yes, it is time now to change, it is time now to bring in peace. I cannot tell you an exact date, but there's a lot of work going on that. We'll try and find out where they are and take it. I think 7 days are good enough. I mean, if you have a weapon, one day also you can return it. We have given you 7 days.
A hand grenade was discovered hanging at Nganapithong Bridge under Imphal West Police Station today morning at around 7 a.m. The grenade, which had partially broken words written on it, appeared to be a warning directed at the Manipur police. The device was safely collected by an Imphal police team shortly after its discovery. The incident has ignited strong condemnation from locals in Kwakaithal Moirangpuri Lekai, Khangimpally Panthak, and Nganapithong Mapal. Community leaders have demanded clarification regarding who is behind the act, expressing serious concerns over the safety of the public. Residents emphasize that such dangerous actions should never be repeated, particularly in areas frequently used by commuters. They call for a thorough investigation and swift action to hold those responsible accountable, while urging authorities to maintain peace and security in the region.
Lekai ahum sigi tainafum oiba thong sida akoi hand grenade ama yan thambira mase kanana kari gidamakta thambira mi bano thamma mi base akoi asuki mati pejade haibadi chaliba lambi sida mipum khudi mak chali barina soiba ngamba haibase akoi tawhaningde aduna matungda di asigumba thawongse amuhana tawbiganu haiba wafam se akoina Birimba mayangi mafamda akoina appeal tawjari aduga akoidi karisu khangjaba natsade isam samna ireikai ahum masi akoi asar awom aduga lamlamdagi lakpa misu asar awom magi ojari masi kariguma pendaba leirabasu akoi magi thamningiba mafamduda thambiyu aduga ireikai sadi amona tawbiganu haiba wafamse aikoi lekai ahumgi subchan jarakanda aikoina appeal tawjari.
During a recent search operation, security forces recovered a significant cache of arms and ammunition from 2 locations in Imphal East and Technopole districts. From the general area of Lebi Kuno under More Police Station, Technopole district, the forces recovered 1 country-made leopard, 8 improvised explosive devices (IEDs), 3 Pompey shells, and 1 Baofeng radio set. Authorities are continuing their investigation into the source and purpose of these items, with efforts to ensure the safety and security of the region. Additionally, from Funal Marine Village under the jurisdiction of Irilbong Police Station, authorities retrieved the following items: 2 hand grenades without detonators, 5 9mm pistols, 1 SMG carbine marked CT-05 without a magazine, pistol grip or breech block, 5 live 303 ammunition rounds, 4 live 7.62 mm AK ammunition rounds, 1 single-bore barrel, 2 detonators with wires, 1 Baofeng radio set, 1 country-made machine gun with a magazine, 2.22 live ammunition rounds, and 5 anti-riot cells. In a special drive against stolen vehicles, Manipur police successfully recovered and seized 5 stolen vehicles in Imphal East district. The seized vehicles include 3 Toyota Fortuners, 1 Mahindra Thar, and 1 Tata Safari. The drive aimed at curbing criminal activities will continue with full vigor. The general public is encouraged to provide information regarding stolen vehicles, as such vehicles have been found to be involved in extortion, crimes against women, and other illegal activities. Yesterday, Manipur police carried out a similar operation in the Lilong and Yairipok Sinda area, during which they recovered 5 two-wheelers and 1 four-wheelers suspected to be stolen. 2 individuals identified as Busam Azamaluddin, age 28 years, and Makak Mayum Nawaj Khan, age 23 years, were arrested after being found in possession of 2 of the recovered stolen vehicles. The investigation into the matter is ongoing. A combined team of Manipur Police and the Assam Rifles arrested 2 cadres of the UNLF led by Koireng, identified as Wangkem Rohit Singh, age 18 years, and Thangjam Nongan Mitay, age 18 years. The 2 individuals were reportedly involved in extorting money from the general public, shops, and transport vehicles. During the arrest, 2 mobile phones were recovered from their possession. Authorities are continuing their investigation into the activities of the arrested individuals. Security forces recently dismantled 2 illegal bunkers located between El Munlai and Harautel village under Leimakong police station in Kangpopi district. In addition, a significant operation was carried out against illicit poppy cultivation in the region. The forces destroyed around 4 acres of poppy plants at Thanglonbung under New Kaithalmandi Police Station, Kangpokpi District. During the operation, 4 farm huts used for poppy cultivation were also set on fire. An FIR has been registered in connection with the destruction, and authorities have initiated further investigations to address the illegal activities. Manipur police arrested 27 years old Koijam Sachin Singh from the General Post Office in Imphal under Imphal Police Station, Imphal West District, for attempting to send a parcel containing approximately 2.920 kilograms of suspected marijuana. The police took immediate action upon discovering the illegal substance during routine checks. The arrested individual is currently in custody, and authorities are continuing their investigation into the matter. Before we end, the headlines once again. Chief Secretary P.K. Singh emphasizes urgency of surrendering illegal arms to intensify ongoing peace efforts. Hand grenade found hanging at Nganapithong, threatening security forces. Locals demand accountability and investigation into the act. Security forces recover 8 IEDs, country-made method, and more from Laibi Kuno in Technopol district during search operation. And Manipur police seized 5 stolen vehicles in Imphal East. Ongoing drive to combat criminal activities. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching IS News.